What's up, guys? Adventure Zach here. We're going to try a little test real fast. So I've got some baking soda and some super glue. I got to go grab it, but apparently this stuff mends together plastic really well. So we're going to go ahead and just try to fix, as you can see where it broke off right there. Just clean broke off. And then for here, where it went to the bike's headlight, this is the piece. We're going to try to mend this back together here. I'm going to replace it, but I figure what the hell, we'll give it a shot and see how it works. And this is the actual piece that came off the headlight and the headlight assembly. Really thick plastic, so we'll see how that works. We're going to mix some of the baking soda together with the glue, and in hopes that we will be able to mend this back to the headlight assembly and mend that back together to this. See how it goes, guys. Alright, so this is what I'm going to use. I know it says instant adhesive. This stuff is not instant, man. It does not instantly bond. Really good stuff, though, but it does not instantly bond. Again, I got my baking soda right there. A riding buddy of mine mentioned this to me. Give that a shot. I'm going to mix this up now. I sanded it up. It's one thing you want to definitely do is you want to sand the surface down. So, as you can tell, see with the light on it, see how it's not shiny at all in that center piece right there. I sanded the crap out of it. I also sanded this up. It's kind of hard to tell, but you want to rough the edges up. You don't want to have it to be nice and smooth. So this is going to go on here like so. Something like that. We're going to glue that back on there. And then we're going to do the same thing with this. That piece right there for the windshield. I'm sorry, not the windshield, for the headlight. So let's get to it. All right, so something I want to mention, guys. What I just did just a second ago is I literally put a couple drops of that Loctite super glue here and thought, all right, well, we'll go ahead and put a little bit of baking soda on top of it, mix it together because this stuff doesn't harden instantly, and we'll apply it to it and let it go. The second I dropped the baking soda onto that, I mean, it's as hard as concrete. That's crazy. Within a matter of 3 seconds, it was rock hard. 2 seconds, it was rock hard. So we're going to apply the glue to the plastic and then hold it in place, and we're just going to spread a bunch of, I'm just going to goop up a lot of the glue. I'm going to put the glue underneath the plastic, like on the actual surface here, the edge. And then I'm going to place this in place, and I'm going to goop it all around it. And then I'm just going to go around and sprinkling baking soda all around it. And it'll probably turn into almost like a baking soda super glue weld. Alright, so this is what I just went ahead and did, guys. Let me get my flashlight for you. I went ahead, trying to have it to where it doesn't blind us out, which it kind of is. So I put a bunch of the glue on it, and as you can see, what I did is I just coated the whole area, the whole surrounding area, with the baking soda, even on the inside. Coated it all up. I'm going to let it sit like that for a little bit. And what we'll do from there is we'll check the solidity of it, see if it's nice and solid. I'll probably go ahead and put another bead of glue around the baking soda edge, kind of like the baking soda weld, I guess you could call it. Apply more baking soda. What I'll do is I'll dump that off on the plate. Do it again one more time, and we'll see how it looks, man. All right, guys, so I would like to say that I think that that's a success, man. It's not the prettiest of looking, as you can see, and I tightened it all the way up to where it got tight. I think I'm gonna have to do a whole headlight assembly. I'll just do it all at once. I'll run with this for now, buy one as a secondary, brand new, and then just use it when this one's completely doneski. We're gonna go ahead and throw it back on the bike real fast and see if we can get it on there and if everything stays together.